What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I lace my Jordan 4s. Today we have the Alma Manier Dark Mocha 4. Just released a few days ago. Nice shoe. Before we get into it, I just need one favor. If you guys can, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, so I can bring you more content. So I'm going to lace them with the cream color laces that they came with. They also come with a black lace. I just think this cream color lace is gonna pop a little bit better. So the first thing you do is you go from the outside in. Just pull them up a little bit. Take the other side. And then you grab these two, it doesn't matter. Just grab the tips together and pull up. And just make sure that they're both the even length at the end. And then what I like to do is I like to go from the outside to the inside. And you're gonna lace them over, not inside. So you take the lace over, pull it through, and keep them kind of loose. And then you go to the other side. Just make sure they don't twist. And that's how you should look on the first one. And you're going to repeat the process all the way up, and I'll tell you when we change it a little bit. Back in the day when I was growing up, we used to call this lacing fat lace style because if you were a b-boy and you had Pumas with fat laces, this is how you would lace them up. So you would lace the shoes like this if you want to have a loose lace style. Obviously, if you want them tighter on your feet, you would just lace them normal by going the opposite, going from the inside out. Now, if you do get your shoes new, sometimes the laces do come wrinkled. What I'll do is I'll take a little iron to them, flatten them out. Makes this process a lot easier. If you don't, then you have to be twisting and your laces just won't look right. So now we'll go through this top one from outside in. Okay, so now on this last hole here, some people like to tuck them in just like that. What I like to do is I like to go back out through this last hole and just pull them all the way down. The reason I like to do this is because my laces stay in place when I do it like this and they won't come out. So this is what you should end up with at the very end. Now if you want this lace to hang lower, just pull your laces a little tighter, and that's it. So let me know your thoughts. Is this the same way you guys do yours? Do you have a different way of lacing them? Really, there is no wrong or right way to lace them. It's just what you prefer. And until the next video, once again, subscribe, hit that like button, and peace.